Digital Growth Community Legacy Builder Program. And yes, folks, we are the Legacy Builders of 2024 and still climbing higher and higher. I'm PaulyB, and I am just honored to be on this platform. And I thank you for stopping by once again to take a peek at what's going on in the digital growth community. So let's go there and let's see if I can give you a brief update. So hopefully you have spent the money for your package by now, and I highly encourage you to come in at the $900 package. That's the high ticket that converts the best. And we also have payment arrangements via PayPal, Stripe, Affirm, Klarna. Folks, if your credit is at least decent, you'll be able to make yourself some payment arrangements for either one of the packages. Get in where you fit in. And if you can come in at the $900 level, you will get those sales at $900, $600, $300, and $100. So here we are, and let's go to the classroom so I can show you what you'll be getting. Here is the content vault, and here's where all the goodies are. You'll be able to get copy and pasting viral hooks, unlimited attention grabbing hooks, more video hooks, you name it, folks. It's copy and paste to success. And also, if we just go back and we come over to these other wonderful modules and tutorials, you'll see TikTok training, 6 figures in 6 months live training, 90-day ramp-up challenge. Folks, not only do you have all of these marvelous trainings that were put together by Michelle O'Neill, big shout out to you, Michelle, but it's a program, not just another course that you're going to spend money, put it on the shelf to collect dust. That's not going to happen here, because every day there's going to be interaction via the group, live Zoom calls where you can ask questions. There's no getting stuck with us. And if you do get stuck, and it's during daylight hours, night hours, 24/7, you can come on this platform and you can go to, here it is right here, general discussion, or you can go to any technical support that you might have. And folks, within minutes, or I've never seen anyone wait more than 20 minutes, a half hour, including myself. If there's any technical problems, any questions that you might have, everyone's in a hurry to help you, because we all get it. Just like Zig Ziglar said, you can have anything you want in this life as long as you help others get what they want. Love thy neighbor as thyself, right, folks? And it works. So let's go over to the Wins tab. Let's get down to documentation that beats conversation. Here we are. And there's another $600 upgrade to Legacy. Liz, $3,400. I want to see this up close. $3,400 in her first week. Reached my 10K, 10,000 in 30 days for April. $300 ding Monday and $600 ding today. Upgrades to Legacy. There's Michelle with another 900. What? 600 ding. 1,813 days. Sarah got her first lead. Yes, Sarah, if you can get your first one, you're off and running. Ding, 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 money makes me sing. I like that, Danielle. And look at this, folks. It just goes on and on. 15,000 people on this platform. And you're always going to see different names. So apparently it works if you work it. Ding, $900 day. Folks, 1,000 followers on TikTok. Yes, Brandy. Pinterest and Facebook. Folks, it's all here. And that just got a $900 earned in 2 weeks. Folks, it's not that we have lists. You know, I want to just say something up front. They're saying PaulyB's making money. He's getting these sales. He got his first, I got my first sale. 900 on my second day. A few days later, I got another 900, folks. I did not come with a list on this platform. I'm being honest with you. I did not come with a list, an email list. I'm one of those late bloomers. I just started doing an email list with Legacy Builder Program, the Digital Growth Community. I'm telling you. So how did I do it? I posted some Craigslist ads in Gigs Computer, maybe a half a dozen. I did some free ads, copy and paste to free global websites across planet Earth. But now I invested in some software that runs 24/7. I just been working on it today. And that shoots out thousands around the clock. You have to have a VSP Windows server. So I had a friend from New York help me out with that technical part today. I'm 63 years old, folks. I'm not that techie. My niece, I always tell the story, my niece Olivia, my favorite niece, when she was 7 years old, when she was visiting her grandma. I was at my mom's house for Sunday dinner. And she came running in, Pauly, come and see my YouTube. I went in there to Mom's desktop, and she said, Uncle Pauly, do you have a YouTube channel? I didn't even know what YouTube was 20 years ago. And there she was to help me put one together. Folks, it's been a blessing ever since. Big shout out to my niece Olivia. So folks, if I could do it, you could do it. And what's it take? 2 hours a day. We're asking you not to be fanatical. Leave your 9 to 5, just dive right into this. No. Common sense. Hold on to your job. Whatever you're doing. And spend 2 hours a day, maybe every other day. And it's only going to be in a matter of a week or two where you're going to start seeing results. And then you can fire your boss. But it works if you work it. And I want you to go to barlettamarketing.com. That's barlettamarketing.com. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Our motto remains the same. We're here to help the poor and the struggling. And I always give out my number. I'm going to do it again on this video. My number is 862-658-2086. You can call me, but not after 10 p.m., please. That number again here outside Manhattan, the Big Apple, New York City, 862-658-2086. Thanks again for your time. Have a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.